Ka Congress Legislature Party ni CLP kala ther tyngeh ya jingbym ler ka Sorkar MDA ha ka bante lakam ya riew pynshit pyrshah ya jinglong jingman ha ka Jylla Haba iakren baik thai khubor mynta ka sngi ka kulai tarik Risaw hadien belawai ka ni ka jingialang Dr. Mukul Sangma nongialam ka CLP ulaong kale Aiu Kane ka Sorkar ha ka ba kalashu ailad ya briew bakin pynshit ha ki rynsan bapher but what banlet shadu bar Jylla ulaong ba ka Sorkar ka don ha khubor ka don ru ya ka ikhtiar bantem ki briew ki pynshit kumne henry ka ni ka Sorkar mynta ka sangap menthi banyele bantem ya kasuk kasan jong Jylla ulo ongru bak Sorkar ha kapor jong u kidon bon ki Jingja Kiba Kum Kine pinban kalashim kham kloi bante lakam yaki henry mynta ki Jingja Kiba Jingsyier yo patba kija Kiba umju i menuru
any problem emanating from any part of the state, the government has all the official machineries, all the wherewithal to have all the inputs, based on which government can anticipate the fallout. What is going to be the fallout? Is the fallout going to create, any kind of challenge vis-a-vis the law and order front? Whether the likely fallout as anticipated based on those inputs is likely to have impact on the communal harmony and create an environment which is vitiated and need to be dealt with properly. What has happened with this government? What were they doing when such, vicious, I must say, unpleasant circulations of narratives were being circulated? It's not only within the state, it has gone beyond the boundaries of the state. And it doesn't augur well for the state. We don't want to be painted with that kind of picture. The people of the state are peace-loving. In fact, I remember when I was a student, how was Meghalaya referred to? As one of the most peaceful states in the state where people used to take pride of being a Meghalaya. Our people have co-inhabited without having any problem for centuries. And that's the legacy. And we are proud of that legacy. There can be elements who can always reshape such environment and create some kind of challenges vis-a-vis the communal harmony and be a threat to peaceful environment. But we have overcome such challenges in the past. If you recollect, during our time, we had problems on multiple fronts, not in one front, so many fronts. But the government is expected to deal with all those challenges and resolve them on time. Why don't they resolve in time? Who they are waiting for? Do they have somebody who will tell them, okay, you are not doing this, so you do this? They need a headmaster to crack a whip. This is what is being seen. We are sorry, that this whole set of affairs is so vitiated. You don't see this kind of hatred being spread in the state in the past. Never in the history of Meghalaya.
Dr. Mukul ulong ru ba ka jingialang jong ka CLP kalayakren ru halor ka jing kam ka Sorkar bar khamtam ka jing pelut ha ka jing khun pyrshah ya ka jing pang COVID-19 nangta ka jing sha ling shop ki patba ha ki bor ka mariang bat ki wei.
The manner in which the whole COVID-19 pandemic has been handled and the whole question that is coming from the general public, from the citizens about the way they spend. If they are concerned, we will have to find out. We can't be silent. So, quite a number of issues have been discussed, and I think though the session is slated for a very short duration, a duration of 5 days business as per the proposed calendar, subject to the approval of the House. The House is to approve the proposed calendar by the Business Advisory Committee. Though the duration proposed is less, I think it will be appropriate for all of us to utilize this time very effectively. That is what we have discussed.